Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, we're about to play around with some nose rings today. If y'all remember a couple months back, I pierced this nose on my own with the kit that I got from Amazon. This one was also pierced with a kit from Amazon, but this one was like a year ago. This is the most recent. And I just want to show y'all some of my favorite combinations that I like to do with my nose piercings. So just stay tuned, we're going to get right into the video. All of these came from Amazon. I will leave the link below. So these are the hooks. This is actually 3 stud like I have in my nose now, but the one in my nose now is not a hook. I think it's just the L shape. So that's what the hook looks like. This is the C shape. Like the letter C. I have a couple of them, as y'all can see. And last but not least, we have the L shape. And it's shaped like the letter L. So I'm going to show y'all each of the nose rings that I have. Like I said, I did order from Amazon. I will leave the link below for you to purchase. I think they're the perfect size. They're not too big, not too small. This is a moon, as you can see, and this is just 3 diamonds. So this is the first style that I like to wear. To me, it's just cute. So yeah, that's the first style. I'm gonna show y'all some more of my combinations that I like to wear. And also, all of my piercings also are my piercings. All of my rings are also rose gold. I love rose gold. They do have regular gold, and they do have what is it, silver? So you can pick whatever one. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just interchange them, and y'all can watch instead of me explaining what they are, because y'all can see. So that's what I'm gonna do. So just watch. not horrible, but it's just kind of big, I feel like, for my face. Alright, so next I'm gonna just do a simple hook on this side, and we're gonna play with the other rings to see what we can come up with. This is cute because it's simple. It's not bad, but I don't know. I just feel like it's just too big for my nose, so. I just can't get with the heart either, but it's the heart. It's not bad. Simple, not doing too much. So I think I'm gonna try the flat head. I have two flat heads. One is a hook and one is an L shape. I don't know why I call it the flat head, but I'm talking about the flat circle. And I'm gonna just try to see how this looks. Alright y'all, so that's the video. Those are all the pieces that I received from Amazon for my nose. I think they're all cute. Like I said, the heart and the leaves just wasn't my favorite because, like I said, I feel like they're big for my nose, but that's just my personal opinion. But I feel like they're still worth a try. They're still worth, you know, the buy. So tell me which is your favorite combination, and I will see y'all in the next video.